In a heartfelt gesture of compassion and global awareness, students of School came together to pray for countries affected by war. Reflecting the school's commitment to nurturing empathy and responsibility, the students stood in quiet solidarity with those facing conflict, especially children whose lives have been shaken by fear and loss. Their prayers carried a shared hope for an end to war, for the return of peace, and for a safer, brighter future for every child.
Let every child live in peace, for world peace and protection of children from conflict. Dear friends, teachers, and all my brothers and sisters, today we come together with open hearts. We are the children of Madagandapalli Model School. We believe every child has the right to smile, to play, to study, and to live without fear. Today, we pray for peace in our world. We pray especially for the children who are caught in the fighting between USA, Israel, and Iran. Let us begin with love and hope. We close our eyes and feel the light of peace inside us. We send this light to every corner of the world. Please repeat after me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Let there be peace on earth.
Let there be peace on earth.
Prayer for ending wars. O God of all nations, you created this beautiful world for us to live as one family. But today, guns are firing and bombs are falling. Mothers are crying, fathers are worried, and little children are hiding in fear. We pray, stop the fighting between USA, Israel, and Iran. Turn the hearts of leaders from anger to understanding. Replace weapons with peace. Let the schools open again instead of shelters. Let playgrounds be filled with laughter instead of silence. We believe that peace begins with us, with every child choosing kindness today. Please repeat after me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Let there be peace on earth.
Let there be peace on earth.
Prayer for children in the conflict zones. We especially remember the children of Israel, Palestine, Iran, and all nearby lands. Some are our age, some are younger. They want the same things we want: to go to school, to hug their parents, to sleep without fear. Dear God, protect them under your loving arms. Keep them safe from bombs and bullets. Give them food when they are hungry, water when they are thirsty, hope when they feel hopeless. Let every child in the war zone feel that the whole world is holding their hand. We send our love across the oceans and deserts to every frightened child tonight. You are not alone. We are praying for you. Kindly repeat after me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Let there be peace on earth.
Let there be peace on earth.
Prayer of healing and unity. O loving God, heal the heart that have been hurt by war. Heal that land that have been scarred by fighting. Teach all countries to talk instead of fight. Help the leaders remember that every child is precious, no matter which country they belong to. We promise to grow up as peacemakers. We will share, we will listen, we will respect every religion and every language. In our school, we already learned this. Now let the whole world learn to. Let every nation become a friend and every child become peace. Repeat after me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Let there be peace on earth.
Through moments like these, School continues to instill values of kindness, unity, and humanity, shaping students into compassionate and socially conscious individuals.